Hey, my name is Mirco and I'm working for Reflex Aerospace as a satellite engineer. My main job here is to build our automated tests that make sure that the software we write is actually working on our flight hardware. The story behind the SIGI Tracker started right after the launch because everybody was looking up at the sky and was saying, no, up there SIGI is flying around, but every time when you look at the night sky and you see a satellite, nobody was sure if that was actually SIGI. So I thought it would be really cool to build the little SIGI Tracker, which at all the time show us where SIGI really is relative to our office. Built it with some spare parts I had lying around in my workshop, a bit of 3D printing, and after a month or so it was done. And by now the SIGI Tracker is a nice asset in our office, reminding us of the value of our work every day. What I love most about Reflex is the great team. It's so amazing to work in a highly skilled team. It has such a high value for me, it's indescribable.